Namaskar, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, sportsmen, listeners and learners, officials and professionals, and the most venerable, reverend, honorable, respected ministers, doctors. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily, cordially welcome all of you. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Your time is really valuable while listening the truth of science and spirituality, which is greatly required for the betterment and upliftment of our soul, society and nation. If we go into the past, means if we imagine the time of pre-independence in 1911, when Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, who got Nobel Prize, he was the first Nobel Prize winner of our India. Rabindranath Tagore is the favorite author. He has written many books. His book Gitanjali was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. He is popularly known as Gurudev. Tagore has a great style. Whatever he has written with lucidity, he has a charity of thought. He has a keen understanding of his characters, their strong and weak points. He never uses very difficult words and experiences. His works are full of interactions. We see a galaxy of characters in his works. Patriotism is one of the themes of his works, especially his poems during the days of the British Empire. He had the guts to challenge the oppressive policies adopted by the British rulers. He was deeply impressed by the freedom movement by Mahatma Gandhi. Tagore's contribution to literature and freedom struggle of India is really great. I like his literary style that is marked by simplicity, clarity and lucidity. He is the only poet of the world who has written the national anthems of two countries, India and Bangladesh. Gurudev has written a spiritual poem where the mind is without fear. He expressed the real meaning of freedom through his poem, through his style of writings. Through his style of writings, we observe that he was really a spiritual freedom fighter. These days, the status of the Indian writers, especially writing in English, is very good. Indian writers have winning international awards like Pulitzer Awards, etc. in the field of literature. They are prescribed in various international universities. Their contribution in post-colonial literature is really great. Now the youngsters in India have started showing interest in the writing of Indian writers. Ironically speaking, this has happened after the global recognition of Indian writers. Many young people of India are doing research on Indian writers. The youngsters can be attracted towards the habit of reading if the price of books is competitive, matter of contemporary relevance. Websites should be created where good literature should be available free of cost. So if we put light, embark at that time when the first World War was started in 1914, at that time Gandhiji came in India from South Africa after completing his barrister. When he came here, he spreaded out the message of the truth and non-violence. It was the great doctrine and principle in his hand that he used for reforming Indian society and Indian nation. At that time, India was under atrocities, cruelties, injustice, exploitation, a number of social evils. So, his role at that time played a great warrior. Whether he was a simple personality, but his works, his thought was beyond to reach. Nation of our father, the most reverend, the most honorable, who has given us the path of greatness in the form of the truth and violence, truth and non-violence. Where there is the name of progress, we automatically remind such personality who has followed the path of the truth of non-violence for achieving the success, for achieving the goal. This personality from 1914 to 1948 fought against the exploiters and the cruel persons, those who were not giving the salaries and wages to the workers. So economic condition of that time was very miserable, and English government demanded from Indians that they should involve in First World War. But it was by the efforts of Gandhiji, who did not allow to fight Indians. In his book, My Experiments with the Truth, written by Mahatma Gandhi, it is Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography. My father gave this book to me as a gift on my birthday. This book is a true record of events which took place in the life of Gandhiji. He has presented all the facts sincerely. This book brings to light how an ordinary man became a great personality. Means bottom to top and root to fruit. That personality was really multidimensional, multi-sided, multifaceted. He is always present with us in the form of currency. Without currency, we cannot do any work. And whenever we use the currency, we have the vision of that personality. The problems and personal weaknesses he faced tell us the real journey of such a great man. I have learnt a lot from this personality. This personality who is really branded as Super Soul. First, we should follow the truth, even if we have to pay a heavy price for it. Truth should be the pole star in our life. Frank confession of one's faults and fallings can lead one on the right track. I would like to present